Samsung is gearing up to unveil its next big innovation in less than 2 weeks. And while the final name isn't confirmed yet, it's rumored to be called either the Galaxy G Fold or Z TriFold. What's particularly exciting is that Samsung plans to release it in more markets than ever before, expanding beyond China and South Korea to include the USA and UAE, with additional regions expected to follow. This shows Samsung's growing confidence in the device. It's not being treated as an experimental concept anymore, but as a fully trusted product meant for everyday consumers. When it comes to hardware, the TriFold design naturally calls for something special. 3 separate batteries, one for each folding section of the screen. Each battery will reportedly be larger than the one before it, although the exact capacities and charging speeds haven't been revealed yet. Samsung also aims to make this model thinner and lighter, an impressive challenge considering the added screen real estate. With such a large display, many are hoping for a big enough battery to ensure solid endurance. A particularly surprising leak focuses on the camera system. In one of Samsung's official animations, the camera interface shows a zoom range extending up to 100x, something previously exclusive to the Galaxy S Ultra series. Foldable devices have long been limited to a 3x telephoto lens that maxes out at 30x zoom, so if this is real, it would be a massive upgrade. Achieving 100x zoom would likely mean the phone includes the 50-megapixel 5x periscope zoom lens found in Samsung's Ultra models. However, the host urges caution this could simply be placeholder footage rather than confirmation of the real specs. The software experience seems equally ambitious. One of the most impressive discoveries is that the device can run Samsung DeX directly on its own display, a feature the Z Fold series lacks, as it only supports DeX on external monitors. This local DeX experience mirrors Samsung's tablet interface and even appears to support multi-monitor layouts within the display. Combined with One UI's multitasking tools, the TriFold truly feels like a bridge between a smartphone and a full-fledged tablet. Apps can continue seamlessly across screens, incoming calls float in movable windows, and the interface adjusts beautifully to different orientations, even offering a portrait mode that mimics an e-reader layout with extra space for widgets and apps. From the visual teasers, the Galaxy TriFold appears to behave far more like a Samsung tablet than a traditional phone. The multitasking layout, the DeX interface, and the overall flow of the software make it clear that Samsung is introducing a new product category, not just another iteration of the Fold lineup. For many users, this might actually replace their tablet altogether, offering both productivity and portability in a single device. The host expresses genuine excitement, describing it as one of Samsung's most promising innovations yet, especially for fans of large displays. The only lingering question is battery life, as powering such a massive screen won't be easy. But if Samsung manages to balance performance, endurance, and software optimization, and if that rumored 5x zoom lens makes it to the final design, the Galaxy TriFold could easily become Samsung's most versatile device ever, redefining what a foldable can truly be. So, that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe to us for more. Thanks for watching.